Manel ekwithi ngeserailo ikibire ko district kalo Katakwi obuoli moki council be mame ekisile pedore aisiboni tunga kanu Aicweo ikito kanu etara na total.
If the government would declare that from today onwards no district should move charcoal, I bet you within 1 month you will find an emergency. So there is no way we can make that a law, because ideally when you are making such a law, you are supposed to have consulted the persons who are producing the charcoal, which I am sure wasn't done, because they are supposed to consent.
Mario na team kanselano kapujan isobu itijanik e kanslo ebe ikamio itunga idoda ebe aitapalar itunga lichwete atotol.
What we had agreed, and the committees had also agreed, it's on record, officer. Somebody was arrested from Alukuchok, a cowboy here, who had cut a sheer tree. And they were here in the yellow. Am I wrong or right? Now, I don't understand what the officer is trying to explain. I don't understand. Because it was a law that came from the sub-counties, it was an issue that was affecting even the communities themselves.
RDC lo district akalo Katakwi Godfrey even Katamba nisobu itoro na iponelo ichwera atotolo ko district ake obu itojoka ari na teso aibu makini kanu aitolo muni kisila lu itiktikera ichona atotol.
The wise advice that we have got and which I associate myself with is true. This should be regionalized approach in fighting this charcoal burning. Short of that, there are many avenues. The press is very porous that these charcoal burners and traders are able to dodge security and enforcement in curtailing this act. So therefore, it needs like Teso region, since we are in a Teso region, to come together to make certain policies and either the bylaws and ordinances.
Etakitamba ebe ekoto itolo muna popola ingun no echama kitosi tunga idis Aicweo aitolota atotol koteso.
We also come up with certificates that we can give to accredited traders. No, it shouldn't be a Tom, Dick and Harry. It should be a few vetted and accredited charcoal traders whom we can give, so that we regulate that kind of influx here. And that can't be a district initiative alone. The fact that these people are able to get licenses these permits in any district. For charcoal, you can even pick charcoal from Katakwi and get the permit from Amuria. So therefore, in order to combat this, we come as a region and have certain policies or regulations. Then from there, we accredit certain few charcoal traders that can come in. The fact that we cannot actually suffocate the urban centers like Kampala.
Just wonder Apollo Kito naja kanuto ko district akalo Katakwi Patrick Olila niso obu olimo kengo ebe edumuti ngesi ekisil lo atotole ko Katakwi neda ije kita ngitu ane ndumuno kede pukola atotola lemu ilukumina kote uni iboran ebala ngisebe mam ije kini etunga ngulu ichweta atotole kaito loto aime down.
I came and found that council had put a ban on charcoal sale and imposed a very exorbitant amount of money for those who are dealing in charcoal trade, and the amount is 300,000 per bag of charcoal. So when you look at the fee is very big, and therefore it discourages people who are engaged in charcoal trade. So that amount was levied purposely to discourage charcoal dealers. But all the same, what is happening, there are people who are still going ahead to steal our charcoal. They avoid going through the normal route which we have revenue checkpoints, and they go through Amuria and leaving us with the of course no revenue. So with that, we had to engage the district forest officer and advised us that charcoal is something which is consumed by everybody.
District alo Katakwi ngesida ebala airport ebe eje kuju kotoma o district nalu itolo sete atotola nganare bugailo apolo kwa penat Kampala. Kanuka TV East Francis Ochen ko district akalo Katakwi.